welcome to this video. And today's video I'll be showing you how you can convert USD to USDT on Binance. Okay, so guys, before I proceed, I'll show you if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, share this video with friends, family, lovers, and even enemies, and also contact me for us and collaboration by the description of this video. Okay, so guys, let's get started. So now first you need to head over and open your Binance app. So let me open my Binance app. So open your Binance app. So now tap on this top left hand, this box icon. So after tapping on it, now you need to tap on convert. So after this convert, now you need to select USDT. The USDT as the first section, you need to select your USD. So guys, USD is not available for my country, but if it's available, you'll just select it. So I'll be using USDC for the sake of this tutorial. So now after selecting USDC, now on this next session, now I will select USDT. So now I'm converting from USDC to USDT. Okay, so now what you need to do now, as you can see, the first one, which is USDC, you are converting from USD to USDT. So USDT has to be at the top, while USDT will be at the bottom. USD at the top, USDT at the bottom. Take note of this. So now you put the amount you are converting. Let me say you are converting 5 USDC to USD to USDT. USDT is just for the sake of this tutorial. USDT is what you are converting from. So right now, after I have gotten the approximate, okay, just tap on preview conversion. Now as you can see, no fees. Okay, so just tap on, if you have USD, just tap on convert, and this coin will be converted to immediately. Why this is showing balance? I don't have USD on my account. So guys, that's how it works. Before I conclude, I'll show you, if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, drop a comment, and also share this video with friends, family, lovers, and even enemies. Okay, you can contact me for us and collaboration by the description of this video. So that's for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a lovely day, stay safe, and God bless you.